Class 7 NCERT Chapter 6 Question 3rd. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. First है when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. जब carbon dioxide lime water से pass होती है, it turns milky due to the formation of. ये milky हो जाती है किसकी वजह से? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. लेकिन आता है The chemical name of baking soda is. Baking soda chemical name क्या है? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. We have two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. It's painting and galvanization. We have changes in which only dash properties of substances change are called physical change. It's physical properties में change होने चाहिए, physical change. E. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. New substances जब form change होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं chemical change.